SCONDESIGN India PVT LTD is a leading company specializing in electrical circuit design in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and a team of skilled engineers, we provide innovative and reliable solutions for all your electrical circuit design needs. Electrical circuit design plays a crucial role in various industries, including manufacturing, automation, and telecommunications. It involves creating a system of interconnected electrical components that work together to perform a specific function. Our team at SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd excels in designing efficient and optimized circuits that meet the specific requirements of our clients. Marathahalli, Bangalore is a hub for technology and innovation. With numerous companies and startups in the area, there is a high demand for electrical circuit design services. We understand the unique challenges faced by businesses in this competitive environment and strive to provide tailor-made solutions that meet their needs. At SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd, we follow a systematic approach to electrical circuit design. We begin by understanding the client's requirements and specifications. Our team then conducts thorough research and analysis to identify the best components and design techniques for the circuit. We leverage the latest software tools and technologies to create detailed schematics and layouts. Our team of experienced engineers has expertise in various aspects of electrical circuit design, including power distribution, signal conditioning, and control systems. We ensure that our circuits are designed to meet industry standards for safety, reliability, and efficiency. Quality is our top priority, and we conduct rigorous testing and verification procedures to ensure that our circuits perform flawlessly. If you are looking for reliable and professional electrical circuit design services in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd is your go-to company. With our expertise and experience in the field, we have become a trusted name in providing top-notch circuit design solutions. Our team of skilled engineers and designers are well-versed in the latest industry standards and technologies, ensuring that your circuits are designed to meet your specific requirements. At SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd, we understand the importance of a well-designed electrical circuit. Whether you are working on a small-scale project or a large-scale industrial application, our team will work closely with you to understand your needs and provide customized solutions. We take into account factors like power requirements, safety regulations, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness while designing the circuits. Our company is equipped with state-of-the-art tools and software that enable us to design complex electrical circuits with precision and accuracy. We use advanced simulation techniques to test the performance of the circuits before they are implemented.